Frizzlife Undersink Water Filter System. In a hurry to get great tasting filtered water? With the Frizzlife Undersink Water Filter System, a two-stage filtration system is designed for lightning-fast installation. A quick twist in design initiates the filtering, and pure water flows from the faucet within 3 minutes, even with filter cartridge replacements. A unique auto shutoff feature is so intuitive that it only turns off at the optimal filtration point, but also shuts off if you disconnect the filter cartridge when you need to replace it or perform light maintenance. Filter life takes sustainability and money saving seriously too. Only the core filter cartridge needs to be changed and discarded, and that means the plastic housing and parts stay under the sink and don't end up in the landfill. Installation is worry-free as well. Whether the cold water valve intake valve under the sink is 3/8 inch or 1/2 inch, Frizzlife is compatible with your kitchen faucet. Frizzlife is a multi-purpose water filtration system and is a fantastic solution for an ice maker. The Frizzlife Undersink Water Filter System is super lightweight at only 4.2 pounds and measures 13 inches high by 5 inches wide by 5 inches deep. Warranty: 3-year warranty with product registration. Pros: removes over 58 contaminants. Install in minutes. No plumbing required. Unique built-in shutoff valve. Cons: difficult to remove the outer housing. Post-installation, the unit may emit an oily odor. Plastic screw connectors may break over time.